In this video, we are going to show you how these mechanical drop trailers work that you can find right here at Cedar Sense. We'll walk you through how easy it is to drop an 18-foot trailer like you see right here straight to the ground mechanically with the hydraulic system that you see. And yeah, it's a lot easier than you think. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is pull this cotter pin just like this. And you want to free this over here. That's your travel lock. You'll have a pin just like this. You'll walk it right over here and put your cotter pin back in. And you'll want to walk to your opposite side. Pull your cotter pin. Pull your main pin on your travel lock. We are just setting this sauna, so usually you put the bent piece. Usually they're going to go in like this. But we just set the sauna, so I didn't want to catch the bent piece. This barrel sauna that you see right here. Pull it. Now you got both. Same thing. I like to put them right in this hole right here. And you're going to take both of these larger pins that you see right here and set them in the holes. And what that's doing now is that's releasing your frame. Come right over to your black box here, as you can see, and there is a controller for this, which we have it wrapped up right now, but you can walk, I think a good 10, 12 feet away from it. Or we also have a lanyard that you see right here. It could be right around your neck. Both controller and lanyard will do the same exact thing. We are going to do it with the lanyard just so we can show you kind of how it works. To drop it, we're going to press the red button. And look at it. As you can see, it's dropping. Does not take very long at all. And she is flat to the ground. That's simple. I think that took 20 seconds, if that. So the cool thing about this now is this is going to a sauna rental out in New York City, and these are just getting amazingly popular with rentals, is you don't have to step up, nothing. There's way less hazard. So when people enter your sauna, look at that. Super easy. You're to the point where you want to bring it back up. Just press the green button. And like I said, the control arm does the same exact thing. You're going to bring it until it goes to a stop. And all you're going to do is put the pins back in, and she's ready to go down the road. Just like that. And she is ready. I'm going to pull the large pin. Pull this way. Put the cotter pin in. Same thing with this. Same thing with this. Pull the cotter pin. Oops, sorry. Take these back. Now here is kind of a little important part that you're going to want to see here. When we put this travel lock back, I'll try to show you the best I can here. As you can see, we're going to go through all three holes. Now you're going to see this hole right here. You're going to want to make sure, I don't think you can do it any other way. But you're going to want to make sure that your cotter pin goes there. That way it's not coming back up. You can kind of see the full angle there. Now you're through all three holes. And there you go. The cotter pins are in. And you now have a mechanical or a hydraulic drop trailer for your sauna rental business. Pretty awesome. And yes, these trailers do come with lights. But yeah, pretty amazing trailer over here at Cedar Sense. You can find them. And quick little tutorial for you.